Hi everyone. When you are shopping for a new car, there is something called star ratings, which can be a little confusing, right? But knowing how to interpret them could save your life. Today, we are going to simplify things and show you exactly how to read star ratings and make smarter choices for your safety. Star ratings are awarded by organizations like Global NCAP, giving you a snapshot of vehicle safety performance. But how do you read and understand them? Well, let's start from the basics. A 5-star rating is the best a car can get, meaning it provides excellent protection for both adult and child occupants in various crash scenarios. On the other hand, a 1-star or a 2-star rating means the car has significant safety deficiencies. Take a real-world example. In 2020, Global NCAP tested Suzuki S-Presso, a popular small car in India, and gave it 0 rating for adult occupant protection. The test results showed that the car lacked essential safety features such as airbags and failed to protect passengers in frontal crash. This low rating sent shockwaves through the industry, prompting manufacturers to prioritize safety even in budget vehicles. But the star rating goes beyond just crash protection. NCAP tests also assess safety assist features like electronic stability control, automatic emergency braking, and pedestrian protection. For example, Euro NCAP introduced ratings for pedestrian safety, helping consumers choose cars that not only protect their occupants but also reduce the risk of injuring pedestrians in case of an accident. It's important to understand that a 5-star rating today doesn't necessarily mean the car will be safe in the future. As new technologies emerge, the rating criteria becomes stricter. For instance, a car that earned 5-star 5 years ago might only score 3 stars by today's standards. So, when you're buying a new car, don't just look at the price or fuel efficiency. Check the star rating to ensure you're getting a vehicle that prioritizes your safety. That's all for today. Now, you know how to read star rating and why they are crucial for your safety. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. For more videos like this, stay tuned to our channel. Thank you.